This is Harry Vocal, Sound of Australia, the voice off the street. We can't make it here anymore. Now, I'm not one for sitting in pubs during the week and never have been, but I had to meet a bloke the other day on a Thursday at about 2 o'clock. And when I got in there was a group of tradies sitting at a table, and one big bloke was whinging about his missus, complaining to him about his 20-minute showers. And then he was going on about the cost of everything for his kids. And yet here he was at 2 o'clock on a Thursday afternoon sitting in the pub. And he started whinging heavily about how nothing's made in Australia and everything's bloody Chinese and it all should be made here in Australia. Well, how can we make it here in Australia when you've got stop and go people making $47.50 an hour? And just this week, when there was the squawk from the dock workers in Melbourne complaining in the middle of this COVID shit about not getting a decent pay rise. And when I looked into it, these blokes, unskilled on the docks in Melbourne, are on $173,000 a year. And you've got all you Aussies whinging about why it's all been made in China. Well, open your friggin' eyes. Industry goes down, the whining continues, and the party goes on. You fucking galoots, have a look. This is Harry Vocal.